Good morning, students. Today I will explain chromosomes. See, in my last video I explained you chromosomes. They are not visible as such. They are found when the cell division takes place. During the cell division, chromatin fibers which are found in the nucleus, they condense and pair themselves. At this stage, they form the chromosomes and visible. Now the chromatin fiber, that is a material which is found in the nucleus, and this chromatin fiber form the chromosomes. This chromatin material is made up of DNA and histone. DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, and histone is a protein. Now this DNA is very important. It is also known as the polynucleotide, or we say it is a macromolecule. This is polynucleotide, which means it has a repeating unit. That is nucleotide, that is single unit, it is a repeating unit. Now, this nucleotide having three substances, a pentose sugar 5 carbon atom. At one of the carbon atom, it is having a phosphate group, and the other carbon atom, it is having a nitrogen base. This is the single nucleotide which forms a polynucleotide. Now this DNA is forming a long strand, and it is a double helix structure. Now second substance is histone. Histone is simply protein which helps in calling and supercalling and packing of the DNA. Though it's very complicated, it will taken on later on. Now, in a cell, number of the chromosomes is 23 pairs. Number is 46. Now 46 is an even number. So pairing of the chromosome, that is 23 pairs of the chromosomes, they are found in the cell. Out of 23, 1 to 22 number of the chromosomes, they are identical in nature, and these are known as the autosome. And the last one, that is 23 pair, that is the sex chromosome, in which if both the chromosomes they are identical and they are denoted by X, this is in the case of the females. But if these chromosomes they are not similar, they are denoted by X and Y, that is a male sex chromosome. Here Y is smaller than the X. Now, when this chromatin fiber in the cell condense and unite themselves to form the chromosome, they join at a single point, that is two chromatin fibers, they join at a single point. That point is known as the centromere. Now, depending upon the position of the centromere, these chromosomes they are divided into four categories. One is when the centromere is almost in the middle of the chromosome, it is known as the metacentric. And if it is somewhat further on one side, and then the one leg chromatin fiber is smaller than the other, it is known as the submetacentric. And in third case, when this moves towards one side, and again the one chromatin fiber is smaller than the other, that is known as the ectocentric. And when the centromere is at the end or at the corner of the chromatin fiber, it is known as the telocentric. Now in my last video I explained you karyotype. That is very important thing. In my last video I explained you that very important thing, karyotype. That is the chromosomes when arrange themselves as per the length and the shape of the chromosomes from 1 to 23. That is a karyotype, and it is very important in the case of the diagnosis of the genetic disorder. Okay, so if you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thanks very much.